Wait, can I film you or no? You don't want that.
I'm good.
Say that she's some patties. Look, I just said it. Maybe we'll just mute this. Yeah. I'm supposed to tell my dad, yes, that Preston is in there.
Oh no, that's crazy.
Bye, B.
And it's okay if I'm talking in it. And then this.
Yep.
How do you make it perfect?
Try to do it the best you can.
I think that's pretty fire.
Yes. Alright, then turn it
Okay.
and press that down.
Okay. Does it
Alright.
have to click or no?
Nope.
Okay.
Press it back up. Turn around. Alright.
that?
Well, first you gotta put the thingy. This down.
On what? This?
That way.
Perfect. Does it click in or is that it?
That's it. And then put it back in.
So they better be really perfect. And then,
Yep.
is that it? And then I pull it back
You
up?
pull it back up.
Is it gonna be perfect? Wait, how do you... Is it gonna be perfect Twilight?
I don't think perfect.
Wait, why not perfect?
It might be. It might be cut off.
How does it get back on? Please. I am so excited for this. I look so pale, but what do you think? What are we going up to, guys? I just did critique. Oh, okay. I just did some critique on 2 of my paintings that I spent a long time on, and that was fun. And then I've got my sculpture class, and then I have, what else do I have? Oh my god, what? This is not raw honey. Wait, it is, but like, wait, why is it crystallized? Wait, why is it, okay. What do you think? Okay. Anyways, ignoring that. I'm just gonna mix that in. And then I have art history. But I have tomorrow off, and, well, not off, but we're doing like programs. It's a break and we have like sessions where we can learn about each different major, because at my school I don't have to pick one yet. So that's really exciting. But my Tuesdays and Thursdays are really long, but it's okay. It's okay. I like what I'm doing now, and I think this week is gonna be much better than last week. You know, fingers crossed. And yeah. Okay, so I actually don't have any milk right now. I kind of don't have anything, but I just really want to try this tea in this jar. So I'm just gonna do ice and have it like an iced tea, but I think it's okay that I don't have milk for this because it's like a tea bag and not just matcha powder. Because like matcha powder and water would probably be really strong, but I think that this is better anyway. But trust, I'm gonna get some almond milk. I'm putting so much ice because, like, I do not. Well, I don't really like hot tea. Like, I'll have it sometimes, but it's not preferred. Look at that. That is fab. This is weird. Anyways, look at this. Okay, this is full. It might spill everywhere, actually. This is not going to be aesthetic. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, ignore that. That didn't happen. Yes. Okay, I'm making a mess. Where is the... There. I don't need no paper towels. Not as dark as Matcha normally is, but I have trust that this will be good. I have trust. Look at the way that looks, bruh. Looks a little sus, but the mug is fly. Okay, please be fireball. Okay, the flavor is good. It's pretty subtle, though. Oh, wait. This is an interesting bag. The bag is like... See that? It's like plasticky. I don't know if that's good or bad. I wish that there was more flavor and I wish I had milk, but it is pretty fly.